Ever sent an email and wished you could take it back? In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 ways to delete an email you've sent in Gmail, whether it's right after sending it or it's from your sent folder. Method number 1 is to undo send, so right after sending. So let's say you've just sent an email, just like I did. What you're going to notice here is this pop-up. Click on undo as quickly as possible, and this will stop the email from being sent. It will also bring back your email to your draft section. Now, if you want to give yourself more time to undo a sent email, go to Setting up here, then click on See All Settings, and then if you scroll down, Undo Send, you've got multiple options to pick from. So from 5 to 10, 20, 30 seconds, that's how long you've got a time before it is sent out. Now we've got method number 2, which is to delete it from the sent folder. So if the email has already been sent and delivered, you can still delete it from your Gmail sent folder. So what you have to do, see it's still going on, but let's say for the sake of this example that we've just got it into the sent. I can go here, open it, and then go ahead and delete it. Now, if you want to permanently delete the email, all you have to do is go down to More, click Bin, and then go ahead and select it and delete it forever. And that's how you delete an email you've sent in Gmail. If you were able to undo it in time, great. But if not, deleting it from your sent folder can help you stay organized. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more email tips and tricks. Happy emailing!